Good morning, everyone. This is our 8th chapter of 10th class, Mejbil the Otter by Gavin Maxwell. Gavin Maxwell was born on 15th July 1914 in United Kingdom and he was died on 7th September 1969. Gavin Maxwell, he was a Scottish naturalist and author and best known for his non-fiction writings and his work with otters. In this chapter, he described how he brought an otter and how he raised it. Let's begin the chapter. The 8th chapter, Mejbil the Otter by Gavin Maxwell. First of all, here is the picture of otter. What is an otter? First of all, you must know that what is an otter. It's a semi-aquatic mammals that belong to the weasel family and are noted for their playfulness. So you can see in this picture, otter is shown. Okay, let's begin the chapter. First of all, Gavin Maxwell lives in a cottage in Camisfearna in the West Highlands in Scotland. And when his dog Johnny died, Maxwell was too sad to think of keeping a dog again. But he think that life without a pet was lonely. So this is the very first stranger of our chapter, Mejbil the Otter, and the author is sharing his experience to keep an otter and how he raised it. Early in the new year of 1956, I traveled to southern Iraq. The author is expressing his experience in southern Iraq when he traveled there. He said that it was early in the new year of 1956 when he traveled to southern Iraq, and by then it had crossed my mind that I should like to keep an otter instead of a dog. After the death of his dog, the author decided to keep an otter as a pet. So this idea came into his mind when he was in southern Iraq, and that Camisfearna ringed by water, a stone's throw from its door, would be an eminently suitable spot for this experiment. He was living in Camisfearna and it was a place that was ringed by water, मीन्स चारों तरफ से वो पानी से घिरा हुआ था, एंड a stone's throw from its door, and it was not far away. It was not too far, बहुत ज़्यादा दूर नहीं था, and it would be an eminently suitable spot for this experiment. What is the experiment? Experiment is about to keep and raise an otter. At that time, the author was with his friend, and he says that when I casually mentioned this to a friend, he as casually replied. So he discussed his friend about this topic, whether he should keep a dog or an otter as a pet. Then his friend suggested him that I had better get one in the Tigris marshes. That if I wanted to keep an otter as a pet, then it was a good place to get it. It was a marshy area near the Tigris marshes. Tigris, it was a river in Iraq, and marshes, it was a दलदल वाला एरिया था ये, and for there they were as common as mosquitoes. दे वर्ड है जो ये ऑटर्स के लिए यूज़ किया गया है, क्योंकि इन प्लेसेस पे जो ऑटर्स हैं वो कॉमन मिल जाते हैं, मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा संख्या में मिल जाते हैं, जैसे कि वहाँ पर मस्कीटोज़ पाए जाते हैं. एंड वर ऑफन टेम्ड बाय द अरब्स, एंड जो ये ऑटर्स हैं ये वहाँ पर जो अरब्स होते हैं उनके द्वारा ही डोमेस्टिकेट किए जाते हैं, टेम्ड किए जाते हैं. वी वर गोइंग टू बस्टर टू द कॉन्सुलेट जनरल टू कलेक्ट एंड आंसर आर मेल फ्रॉम यूरोप. At that time, our mail was expecting to come from Europe, and that's why they went to the headquarters to get it. At the consulate general, we found that my friend's mail had arrived, but that mine had not. So, author's friend got his mail, but author was author didn't get his mail. It was maybe some reason behind it, so he had to wait. And after that, I cabled to England. The author cabled or telegram to England, and when 3 days later nothing had happened. After 3 days, the author didn't get his mail. I tried to telephone. After that, the author decided to telephone to his office to get the mail. The call had to be booked 24 hours in advance, but at that time it was compulsory to book the call for 24 hours before 24 hours, because उस टाइम पे एक लंबी लाइन लगती थी एंड people had to wait for a long time to call to their family, relatives, or offices, etc. On the first day, the line was out of order. First day, they were not able to call because the line was out of order, means there was some problem in the connecting the lines of telephone. And on the second, the exchange was closed for a religious holiday. And second, it was a religious holiday and they were not able to call that day also. On the third day, there was another breakdown. Third day, they also tried to call, but some another problem created at that time also, and they were not able to call third day also. My friend left. My friend's Miss Author's friend's mail had arrived, and he went, and I arranged to meet him in a week's time, and he decided to meet his friend within a week. And 5 days later, my mail arrived. The author had to wait for 5 days, and after 5 days, his mail arrived. I carried it to my bedroom to read. The author says that he went to his room to read the mail, and it was a surprise for him that when he saw two Arabs squatting on the floor, means sitting on the floor. When he went to his bedroom to read the mail, at that time he was surprised to see two Arabs who were sitting on the floor, and beside them lay a sack that squirmed from time to time. And they were having a sack और एक गनी बैग्स टाइप में उनके पास कुछ था, एंड इट वाज मूविंग और स्क्वेयरिंग और छटपटा रहा था इसके अंदर कुछ, जैसे कि समथिंग कुछ अलाइव उसके अंदर हो, कुछ जीवित हो, जो कि अपने आप को वहाँ से फ्री करवाने की कोशिश कर रहा हो. So at that time the author was very surprised that what was there in the sack. So students, this is enough for today, and we will discuss the next paragraph in our next video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.